Have you ever wondered how companies instantly know whether customers are happy or upset? When you see a dashboard that says 75% of reviews are positive, 25% are negative, that's not magic. That's Azure Text Analytics. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. Azure Text Analytics is part of the language services in Azure AI. It gives you four powerful features. Sentiment analysis finds out if text is positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. Key phrase extraction, pull out the most important ideas. Named entity recognition, identify people, places, organizations. And language detection, figure out which language the text is written in. So instead of manually reading thousands of reviews, you can get instant structured insights. Let's see it in action. Go to portal.azure.com and sign in. In the top search bar, type Azure AI Foundry and click it. Select Create Language Service. On the creation screen, choose your subscription, pick or create a resource group, for example, AI-course-RG. Give it a unique name like language-service-demo, followed by today's date. Select the region closest to you. For pricing tier, choose F0 free. Click Review plus Create and then Create. Once it is deployed, open Language Studio. You can directly go to language.cognitive.azure.com. Sign in, then select your subscription and the language service demo resource you just created. Now under pre-built features, click sentiment analysis and opinion mining. Paste in this sample text. The phone looks great, but the battery dies too quickly. And here's the result. Sentiment, mixed. Positive for design, negative for battery. Key phrases, phone, battery dies too quickly. That's how quickly Azure turns raw text into actionable insights. Here's a question you might get in the exam or in an interview. A system marks this review as positive. Great, it broke in 2 days. What's happening and how do you fix it? A weak answer is the model made a mistake. A strong answer is that's sarcasm, which is a known limitation of sentiment analysis. Out-of-the-box models miss sarcasm. To improve, I train a custom model in Azure Machine Learning or add business rules for context. That's the kind of depth interviewers expect. Here's a simple way to add this to your resume. That one line shows real Azure experience. So that's text analytics in Azure, concept, demo, and even how to talk about it in interviews. In the next video, we'll compare question answering versus conversational AI and learn which one to use for your chatbot projects. Thank you.